Question number 26. Preposition. The tiger said, ask dash help from three things you see. A. To. B. For. C. About. D. With. And the correct answer is B. Ask for help from three things you see. Question number 27. The boy walked back dash the tiger, and the correct option is, and the options are A. 8, B. For, C. To, D. Against, and the correct answer is C. 2. The boy walked back to the tiger. Question number 28. My sister loves to draw sketches as she is good dash drawing. A. In, B. On, C. At, D. With. And the correct answer is C. My sister loves to draw a sketch as she is good at drawing. Question number 29. The elephants were tied up dash ropes. A. In, B. With, C. Into, D. Around. And the correct answer is B. The elephants were tied up with ropes. Question number 30. An elephant ran dash the forest and called the mice. A. Through, B. Into, C. Across, D. Along. And the correct answer will be through. An elephant ran through the forest and called the mice.